Hello, children. I hope you all are keeping safe at home. And even you might be known to that your periodic test is supposed to start from 17th of August, that is from Monday. And you will be having your EVS test on 20th of August, that is on Thursday. And the timing will be from 8 am to 8:30 am. It will be for 30 minutes. Okay, so be prepared, attentive while going through the test. And the portion for the test is chapter 1 myself and chapter 2 my family from your semester book. So please go through it properly. Today we will also go through the revision. Before that, I would like to make you know some of the points regarding the periodic test. Some of the parents were also saying that they were unable to hear properly in the PTM and some were unable to attend it. So, this is for their information also. No retest will be taken, so be present. Along with the child, one of the parents should be there during the test, but they will not tell them the answers. And if there is any technical issue, please inform the class teacher through campus care at that time only, and you may also take a screenshot of the same. And if the test time matches with your siblings, then the elder one will give the test while the younger one will have oral test. So please inform the teacher now only. So dear parent, please send a message to the class teacher if siblings are there and won't be able to give test at the same time. And format for the test will be same as you were getting for class test, that is in the Google form. Questions will be there with options. You have to tick the correct option and you have to attempt all the questions because all the questions are required. Then only you will be able to submit your test paper. After your answers are done, click on submit button and wait for the next screen to appear. One more thing, children, while entering your name, class and section, be careful and attentive. Enter correct spelling of your name and section also properly. Now children, you will give the test only once. Twice it is not allowed in case the first paper will be accepted and the result will be declared the very next day through campus care by 9 am. So all the best children. And one more thing, or EVS test was supposed to be taken in the oral, but due to this pandemic situation, we will go through written test as other subjects. So children, prepare properly, go through the chapter, learn your work nicely, and all the best. Now let's move to our revision. We will go through the revision for the test. Revision for periodic test 1. Question number 1. What do we say when we meet someone? Option A, goodbye. Option B, hello. Option C, okay. And option D, happy. So children, what do we say when we meet someone? Yes, we greet them. How? By saying hello. So we will put a tick mark against hello. Now question number 2. Ria likes to read dash book. Now option A, joke. Option B, story. Option C, cartoon. Option D, funny. So what is the correct option, children? Yes, we have studied Ria likes to read story book. So we will put a tick mark against story. Now question number 3. A dash is a group of people who are related to one another. Option A, school. B, house. C, family. D, friend. Now children, think about it. A group of people, those who live together and they are related to one another. What do we call? Yes, the correct option is family. So we will put a tick against family. Now question number 4. Families are of dash types. Options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Children, you could remember we have studied there are two types of families. One is nuclear family. We also call it small family. And the another one is joint family. We also call it big family. So there we will put a tick against 2. Now let's move to question number 5. Ria and Ayan love to eat dash that their mother cooks. And the options are ice cream, cake, rajma chawal and chocolate. So we know they love to eat rajma chawal which their mother used to cook. So we will put a tick against rajma chawal. Now question number 6. A family in which children live with their parents is known as dash family. Now children where they live with their parents only, grandparents are not there, that family we call nuclear family. And joint family is a family where children live with their parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, everyone. So the correct option is nuclear. Now question number 7. The color of our hair is dash. Options are green, blue, yellow, black. So stand in front of the mirror. See the color of your hair. What is it? Yes, it is black. So put a tick against black. Now question number 8. Family members dash for one another. And the options are care, hate, dislike, small. So we have studied family members care for one another. So we will put a tick against care. So this way you will get questions with many options, children. Be careful, read the options properly and tick against the correct option. Do it properly. All the very best for your test. Thank you.